Alright guys, I'm sitting in my 2020 Ranger. I just found this new hack to turn on and off the auto start stop. You know how when you pull up at a stop sign or a red light, your engine cuts off? Super annoying, in some cases unsafe, because if you need to take off again quickly, there is a hesitation. So you decide whether or not you want to turn it off. I'm going to show you how to do it. So you do have the button there that you can turn off the auto start stop every time you get in your vehicle, and it resets whenever you turn your vehicle off and back on again. So you will have to remember to hit that every single time. Super annoying. I'm going to show you how to never have to do that again. 1 second. So go ahead and pop your hood, come over to your battery side, and you're going to see this little connector right here on your negative side. So there's your negative post. You've got this little lug here, and at the end of this little black module you have a connector right here with two wires, a red and white wire. All you're going to do is disconnect that plug. So to disconnect it, you may need a small screwdriver because it's pretty tight in there, and I have little stubby fingers and I have trouble getting in between the fuse box and that connector. But you may need to use a little screwdriver like this, and you can push in right here in the front. Let me see if I can get a better angle. There we go. You can push in right there and then push with your thumb on the other side. I need both hands. I'll be right back. Alright, so I got that little released, and then I just pull it out. And you can just leave it sitting right there. It's not going to hurt anything. Just leave it sitting right there. And let's go test drive it. Alright, so I'm driving in my neighborhood. It's a private road. No one else on the road. Coming up to a stop sign in about 5 seconds, and I'll come to a full stop. You can watch my RPM gauge, and you'll see that the truck will not cut off. There we go. We're at a full stop. You can see I'm not moving, and the truck did not cut off. You can see that the little icon is there. The little auto start stop says it's disabled. I did not press that button to do it though. All I did was get in the car after unplugging that plug and just go. So that's it. You guys can do it too. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you. Thanks. Hey guys, just stopping at a second stop sign real quick just to test it again. Still working. The icon is still there, but again, I didn't have to press anything, didn't have to do anything, just got in and drove. Stopped at my second stop sign. No problem, truck stays running. And I do not, the important thing, some people may be concerned, I do not have any additional error codes or anything like that, so it's not going to interfere with anything else in the performance of the truck. So that's your big tip for the day. Hope it helps you out. Take care.